Morty, why are you squeezing Motu's neck?
Please help.
Look at you now, Motu.
Motu is no more. Chingam sir, please come to our house quickly. What? I'm coming right now. Motu was sitting on a chair and eating when suddenly, from behind, Moti put a rope around Motu's neck and pulled him. There she is, Moti. Chingam sir, catch her.
Please take this and instead of me, arrest Patlu.
You are a very big bribe taker. Help me! Chingam sir took money from Moti and then Chingam sir pushed me into the pond. This is Moti, SSP sir. Arrest her.